We all know, after the S25 shook things up with a new design in 2025, the S26 is also bringing its own unique twists in 2026. But will those changes come with a price hike? We're piecing together all the leaks and early reports right now to see exactly what you can expect to pay for the Galaxy S26, the S26 Plus, and the S26 Ultra. For years, Samsung's been pretty consistent with its flagship pricing. Just look at the previous generations. The Galaxy S25, S24, S23, and S22 all started at $799. The Plus models were $999, and the Ultra models were either $1,199 or, as with the S24 and S25 Ultra, $1,299. Based on this history, it seems very likely that the Galaxy S26 base model will still start at $799, the Plus model will start at $999, and the Ultra will be $1,299. One major factor supporting this idea of consistent pricing is the reported return of the Exynos chip. The Galaxy S26 Ultra will reportedly use Samsung's in-house Exynos processor in some regions. This is a big deal for Samsung Foundry because it will be cheaper for the company to manufacture the phones since they won't have to buy Snapdragon chips from Qualcomm, and this could easily help them keep the price tags the same. However, there's a strong argument for a price increase as well, especially for the Ultra. First, the competition. Apple, arguably Samsung's largest rival, announced a $100 price increase for the iPhone 17 Pro this year. This sets the stage for Samsung to do the same. And if they do, it's most likely for the top-tier Galaxy S26 Ultra. Second, the hardware upgrades on the Ultra. Reports suggest the S26 Ultra will feature a privacy display that lets you hide your screen from people around you. Naturally, this is a more expensive component than a traditional display. The camera hardware is also seeing changes. Samsung is looking to make the Ultra's camera aperture wider, which is why the rear camera module appears to be protruding. While a wider aperture might not cause a price hike on its own, combined with a privacy display, it makes an Ultra price increase more possible. Finally, there's Samsung's recent strategy. The S26 Edge has reportedly been canceled after the S25 Edge failed to meet expectations. If Samsung is willing to abandon a new product so quickly, it suggests the company is keen to return to what is familiar and safe, which could mean keeping the pricing structure familiar as well. In conclusion, all the clues point to the price tags remaining the same. $799 for the Galaxy S26, $999 for the S26 Plus, and $1,299 for the S26 Ultra. But as with all leaks, this is subject to change. So while we have some pretty solid clues about the pricing for the next Android King, remember that final cost is never set until Samsung says it is. Do you think the new Exynos chip and the hardware upgrades justify a price increase on the Ultra? Let me know your estimated price in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest tech leaks. Peace out.